everyone. How are you? I hope you will be fit and fine at home. Once again, welcome in DP class. Our third chapter is going on gender, religion and caste. In first lecture, we have discussed about the gender and politics, division of labor, यानी कि feminist movement. We have discussed sexual division of labor. We have discussed and in which country women's participation is high and how our country's woman is lagged behind comparative to the other countries' women. So now today we will discuss about the women face disadvantage, discrimination and oppressions in many ways, यानी कि how women are disadvantaged and discrimination and oppressions in many ways in our country. First point, literacy rate. Literacy means a person who can read and write. In our country, according to the census 2011, literacy rate is 70.04% total. The literacy rate among women is only 65.46% comparative to 82.14% among men. But when see school results, we see girls and boys results are same. Maybe girls are comparatively to the higher comparative to the boys. But now we can see now they drop out. Mostly drop out we see from the girl child. Why? Because parents prefer to spend their resources on the boys' education. Why? They were thinking कि अगर हम गर्ल्स को पढ़ाएंगे ये तो मैरिज के बाद दूसरे घर में चली जाएंगी, वहाँ पर हम करके देंगे तो हमें उनको पढ़ाने का क्या बेनिफिट है. तो दैट्स वाई पेरेंट्स वांट्स टू प्रिफर, यानी कि दे वांट टू स्पेंड देयर रिसोर्सेज फॉर बॉयज एजुकेशन. दे डोंट वांट टू गिव द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ गर्ल्स एजुकेशन. दैट इज द मेन डिस्क्रिमिनेशन वी आर looking in our country. Okay. Now second point, high paid job for women is still small. We are saying कि women are doing whole day work, but we are thinking कि women are not doing anything. Their work is not valued. Even they are doing the more work comparatively to the boys. Boys, yeah, we can say that male. Now sex ratio. Sex. What is the meaning of sex ratio? Number of girl children per 1000 boys. यानी कि girl children कितनी है? Number of girl children per 1000 boys per. That is called sex ratio. That is the third discrimination. According to the census 2011, sex ratio 940 females per 1000 males. यानी कि according to the census of 2011, sex ratio 940 females हमारे यहाँ पर, कितने boys पर कितने males पर? 1000 males पर. और केरला has the highest female sex ratio, approximately 1506. और हरियाणा has the lowest sex ratio. We can see again number of girl children per 1000 boys. According to the census of 2011, sex ratio in our country 940 females. कितने boys पर कितने males पर? 1000 males पर. And Kerala has the highest female sex ratio 1056. And Haryana has the lowest sex ratio, that is 861. We can see the difference. In Kerala has the highest sex ratio. In Haryana has having the lowest sex ratio. Fourth point, Equal Remuneration Act 1976. According to this act, what is the meaning of this act? According to this act, equal wages should be paid for equal work in almost all areas of work, from sports and cinemas to factories. Women are paid less than men when both do exactly the same work. In cinemas, in the sports fields, in the factories, men and women are doing the same work, but women are paying the less salary comparatively to the male. So we are saying कि according to the Equal Remuneration Act 1976, according to that, male and female should get the equal salary, but actually they are not getting at present also. Now fifth point, domestic violence. In India, various kinds of harassment, exploitations and violence are common against women. In our country we see harassment, exploitation and violence are common against women. We can say that even women are not safe even in their own home from domestic violence. यहाँ तक कि women अपने घर पे भी सेफ नहीं है, उनके साथ गाली गलौज किया जाता है, मारा पीटा जाता है, उनके साथ बुरा व्यवहार किया जाता है। और हालांकि वो मॉर्निंग से लेकर इवनिंग तक पूरे दिन घर के काम में लगी रहती है, और जो वर्किंग वीमेन है बाहर भी काम कर रही है, फिर भी उसके बावजूद उसको वो इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं है। तो यानी कि नाउ डेज वी कैन सी दी डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस इज ऑल्सो प्रिवेलेंट इन आवर सोसाइटी। दीज आर द 5 पॉइंट्स। ऑन दैट बेसिस वी कैन से दैट women face disadvantage, discrimination and oppressions in many ways. What are the 5 points? Literacy rate, high paid jobs for women is still small. Sex ratio, 1 point left in sex ratio. Sex ratio why is declining? Because in our country parents prefer to have sons, so that's why girl child is aborted before she is born. यानी कि लड़के की चाह में लड़की को पैदा होने से पहले ही उसको गर्भ में मरवा दिया जाता है। दैट इज द मेन रीजन बिहाइंड दैट। वी आर सेइंग ना कि इन आवर कंट्री सेक्स रेशियो इज डिक्लाइनिंग। अभी भी हमारी बोलते हैं ना एक संकीर्ण वाली विचारधारा वाली सोसाइटी है जो इस चीज़ को एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं कर रहे। वो कह रहे कि एक लड़का तो होना ही चाहिए, गर्ल हो नहीं हो लेकिन फैमिली के अंदर एक लड़का होना जरूरी है, ताकि वो हमारी परंपराओं को आगे ले जाए, वो हमारी पुस्तकों का नाम याद रखे, आगे तक हमारा वंश चलेगा उसके पीछे। तो दैट इज द मेन रीजन। और हाईएस्ट सेक्स फीमेल सेक्स रेशियो 1056 इन केरला और लोवेस्ट सेक्स रेशियो 861 इन हरियाणा। और इन विच ईयर इक्वल रिम्यूनरेशन एक्ट वाज पास 1976। अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस एक्ट इक्वल वेजेस शुड बी पेड फॉर इक्वल वर्क। यानी कि एक अगर मैन और वुमेन दोनों इकट्ठे मिलकर एक जैसा काम कर रहे हैं तो दोनों को इक्वली वेजेस मिलना चाहिए इक्वल वर्क के लिए। बट इट इज नॉट correct in some areas in some field we can say that. Last point, domestic violence. ऐसा नहीं कि women's cities में या गांव में, I think in both the places women are facing these problems. They are harassment, exploitation and violence. Thank you.